So a question just came over about having the lines be color coded like it was in Infinity. Now, right now, there's not a way to do that. However, the status field, which I'm going to click and drag over to the left, is color coded. Now, right now, it's just showing 1 because that's my quotes. But when you are looking at your invoices, you can see the different colors right from there. And that's just really nice to be able to see those statuses all at once. Now you saw I clicked and dragged, so I can click and drag these rows to be anywhere that I'd like them to be in my listing. And if there is something that I don't feel I need to see in my list, I can click the ellipsis button on any one of these column headers, hover over columns, and check and uncheck the different options to show. Now this updates it just for me. So I can have different things showing than other people. And again, all I need to do is go ahead and check and uncheck to have things appear and disappear. Now, once you've rearranged, added, and modified this list to be the way that you want, you can click Save Layout over here in the lower right to go ahead and save the layout again for yourself. So the whole line cannot be color coded at this time, but the status field does contain that color coding. This little button right here in the center is a slide. Now, if I click on just once on one above, it shows me a preview of the actual record, but I can click and drag this down to be able to go ahead and expand my list. So I can see a whole lot more in one spot than just those couple rows that I was showing. The next question that came in was adjusting the height of each row. Unfortunately not. You can't just drag and move the height of the rows. However, something that you can do is if you are on a better monitor than mine, and you can see it a little bit more clearly, you can actually use your browser zooming to make things smaller or larger to be able to see more if needed. So you can use, again, this is your browser zooming to go ahead and do that, making things smaller and larger. You also do have, if you're having a hard time with the text, we have a text size slider over here. Now this only increases and decreases text size on different certain things. And I'm usually making things larger, not smaller, but you can do that.